Pry open the instrument trim panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Unscrew the screws securing the top of rear passenger side valve box. Pull down the storage box. Unscrew the decorative plate fixing screw. Take out the ash box. Unscrew the fixing screw. Unscrew the water cup frame fixing screw. Priya opens the panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Pry loose the decorative panels on both sides. The gear is put into neutral, panel raised and pulled back. Unscrew the fixing screw. Resist the inner buckle with a special key. Remove the CD host, unplug the cable. Pry open the instrument buckle. Unplug the display cable, remove the panel. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Unscrew the fixing screw. Take out the press interface board. Install it on our display screen according to the interface board. Fixing screw. Transfer power cord. Transfer radio antenna. GPS antenna for grams antenna. Attached to the side of the passenger. The other end is connected to the display screen. Display docking GPS antenna. The display screen is installed on the panel of the original car. Fixing screw. Power cord blue amp cable. Connect to the red line account. Slowly open the red line. The blue line connects to the red line. And wrap it in tape. Display docking radio antenna. Power cord. Rear line of sight card slot audio cable. Docking protocols and resistance lines. USB cable. Power cord red and white plug AUX cable. Docking card slot audio cable. Plug AUX cable. And wrap it in tape. Install the display. Fix all screws. Install the decorative panels on both sides. Finally, install the meter trim strip. Let's take a look at the overall effect.